everyone, welcome back to another bullet journal video. So this month I'm showing you my April monthly spread. Any of the things that I used in this video along with the journal will be linked down below if you guys want to check them out for yourselves. And let's get straight into this video. So this is the first page of my April bullet journal. So I took some inspiration from Google and just put my own little spin on it. So they drew a little bunny in the corner and it was from behind, so you only saw like the tail and the ears, and I decided to add a little face onto mine and little arms and stuff like that because mine looked a bit like a brown blob. And the colours I used this month were Tombow dual ink brush pens. I will link them down below. These are actually Zara's, I've borrowed them for this monthly spread. And then I just drew some grass and shaded that in with a few different Crayola green crayons. Did some very simple lettering for April and added a little calendar. So the next page in this spread is my calendar. So I used the same Tombow brush pens just to do a banner at the top, and I also used the yellow one to colour in the numbers just to help them stand out a little bit more. I did these really simple, just like grid looking boxes. I used it for my March spread as well and I really liked it. And I also just incorporated some different little bunny doodles. I also used some micron pens this month as well, as I usually do. I used 0.5, 0.2 and a 0.3 micron. And during March I made quite a few of these pages, and I was just going to use them as weekly logs where I just put things I need to get done that day. But during March I actually made them into diary / journal kind of spaces. So I just again added in some little doodles of bunnies. I used some Tombow pens to write out the weeks, and then I just used some micron pens to do almost like calligraphy. So across these pages I have a few different doodles like bunnies, and I also incorporated some of the bunting just to give it a little bit more something. Really happy with how these weekly logs turned out, and hopefully I will use them this month. The next page I have is my homework log and to-do list. I really like adding these in because it's like my own space to write down everything I need to get done, all of my homeworks I get set. And across this almost 2-page spread is bunting and a little bunny standing in the grass. So these are really simple. I didn't do any fancy lettering. I wish I'd done the lettering similar to this. And then the next 2 pages are these ones. So I have my revision plan and also a mood tracker. I've never done a mood tracker before. My revision plan is very simple. This month I'm hoping to get a lot of revision done because my exams start in May for my first year of A-levels. And then these little boxes, and basically in the boxes I'm going to write out what I want to get done. Didn't want a really overwhelming page for this because I feel like that will just make revision a little bit more stressful if I have a constant reminder. For my mood tracker, I didn't have a clue what to use for the tracker itself, so I drew out little carrots. I'm not sure if they look like carrots, but because I had some bunnies throughout it, I thought I would draw some carrots. And the actual mood thing is being filled in with blue. I didn't have enough pink shades or yellow shades to colour them in with. I had quite a lot of different blue shades. So this is the lowest point to say I'm feeling really happy, then this is like the brightest colour. So, and that is basically everything I have in my bullet journal. It took a while because I really wanted to spend some time on it. It probably doesn't look like it took a while, but I wanted everything to be neat with like no mistakes, so I'm really happy. So that is everything. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will link anything down below which you want to check out yourselves. If you recreate anything, tag me in the posts, and I love you all so much. Thank you all for your lovely support and comments, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!